Time to wake up, sweetheart.
Time to wake up, sweetheart.
Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, sunshine.
Are you ready to start your day?
Are you ready to start your day?
It's a beautiful day outside. Let's get up.
It's a beautiful day outside. Let's get up.
Come on, sleepyhead. It's time to rise and shine.
Come on, sleepyhead. It's time to rise and shine.
Your breakfast is almost ready.
Your breakfast is almost ready.
Let's start the day with a big smile.
Let's start the day with a big smile.
You're going to be late for school.
You're going to be late for school.
It's time to get out of bed, darling.
It's time to get out of bed, darling.
Have you brushed your teeth?
Have you brushed your teeth?
Do you need help tying your shoes?
Do you need help tying your shoes?
Make sure your homework's in your backpack.
Make sure your homework's in your backpack.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Don't forget your water bottle.
Is your lunch packed?
Is your lunch packed?
Do you have everything you need for school?
Do you have everything you need for school?
Let's comb your hair before we go.
Let's comb your hair before we go.
We're running late. Hurry up.
We're running late. Hurry up.
Do you want your jacket?
Do you want your jacket?
It's chilly outside. Wear your scarf.
It's chilly outside. Wear your scarf.
Your cereal's on the table.
Your cereal's on the table.
Would you like some more juice?
Would you like some more juice?
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Don't talk with your mouth full.
Can I get you some milk?
Can I get you some milk?
Eat your breakfast quickly, or we'll be late.
Eat your breakfast quickly, or we'll be late.
Do you want toast or pancakes?
Do you want toast or pancakes?
Finish your eggs before leaving.
Finish your eggs before leaving.
Let's try to eat more fruit, okay?
Let's try to eat more fruit, okay?
You need a good breakfast for energy.
You need a good breakfast for energy.
Don't skip your breakfast today.
Don't skip your breakfast today.
Get your backpack, we're leaving.
Get your backpack, we're leaving.
Don't forget to put on your shoes.
Don't forget to put on your shoes.
Let's go, the bus will be here soon.
Let's go, the bus will be here soon.
Did you say goodbye to everyone?
Did you say goodbye to everyone?
Be good at school today.
Be good at school today.
Remember to listen to your teacher.
Remember to listen to your teacher.
Do you need a jacket today?
Do you need a jacket today?
I'll pick you up at 3 o'clock, okay?
I'll pick you up at 3 o'clock, okay?
Do your best, and I'll see you later.
Do your best, and I'll see you later.
Have a great day, my love.
Have a great day, my love.
How was your day at school?
How was your day at school?
Did you make any new friends today?
Did you make any new friends today?
Tell me about what you learned.
Tell me about what you learned.
Do you have homework tonight?
Do you have homework tonight?
Let's grab a snack before you start your homework.
Let's grab a snack before you start your homework.
Would you like to go outside and play?
Would you like to go outside and play?
Did you bring home any art projects?
Did you bring home any art projects?
How was your lunch today?
How was your lunch today?
Did anything fun happen today?
Did anything fun happen today?
Do you need help with your homework?
Do you need help with your homework?
What game do you want to play?
What game do you want to play?
Let's build something with your blocks.
Let's build something with your blocks.
Can I join your tea party?
Can I join your tea party?
Be careful with your toys, okay?
Be careful with your toys, okay?
Let's clean up after we're done playing.
Let's clean up after we're done playing.
You're doing a great job sharing.
You're doing a great job sharing.
That looks like so much fun.
That looks like so much fun.
Let's go outside and play ball.
Let's go outside and play ball.
You're so creative with your toys.
You're so creative with your toys.
Remember to play nicely with your brother.
Remember to play nicely with your brother.
Do you need help with your math?
Do you need help with your math?
It's time to start your homework.
It's time to start your homework.
Let's focus for 20 minutes, then take a break.
Let's focus for 20 minutes, then take a break.
Don't forget to write your name on your paper.
Don't forget to write your name on your paper.
Did you finish reading your book?
Did you finish reading your book?
Let's work on your spelling words.
Let's work on your spelling words.
Is this your best handwriting?
Is this your best handwriting?
Great job! You're almost done.
Great job! You're almost done.
Let's check your answers together.
Let's check your answers together.
Now that you've finished, you can play.
Now that you've finished, you can play.
Dinner's ready, come to the table.
Dinner's ready, come to the table.
Please wash your hands before dinner.
Please wash your hands before dinner.
Would you like more vegetables?
Would you like more vegetables?
Don't forget to drink water with your meal.
Don't forget to drink water with your meal.
Try a bite of everything on your plate.
Try a bite of everything on your plate.
What was the best part of your day?
What was the best part of your day?
Let's sit down and eat together.
Let's sit down and eat together.